All right, guys, and welcome to Techland. So here are three CorelDRAW templates that you can edit and suit to your own need. All right. So please, if you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right. So I'll be dropping some CorelDRAW templates, church designs, and in general. So please make sure you stay around. All right, and click the subscribe button to support our channel to grow. Thank you very much. So here are the three templates I'll be dropping. The link will be in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.